Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you how to make a strong stain remover. How to make a strong stain remover. The recipe is powder detergent 100 grams, industrial grade hydrogen peroxide 100 milliliters, household bleach, that is sodium hypochlorite bleach 200 milliliters, concentrated hydrochloric acid 140 milliliters, and water 1 liter or 1000 milliliters. Now this recipe is for about 1.5 liters of the product. Before we start this preparation, let us see the precaution. The product you are going to make involves the use of corrosive chemicals. So ensure you wear your nose mask and hand gloves and stay in a well ventilated place away from children. 3 chemical reactions are going to take place in the course of your preparation, and this will be explained as we proceed. Alright, now let's see the procedure for making our stain remover. The first thing is to measure about 500 milliliters or 1/2 liter of clean water into a large plastic bowl or bucket. Now add the powder detergent and stir to dissolve. Add the powder detergent and stir to dissolve. Add the hydrogen peroxide slowly to the detergent solution and stir for about 2 minutes. Now notice that the detergent solution begins to rise slowly. This is due to the oxygen gas liberated by the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide. That means the hydrogen peroxide is decomposed by the detergent into oxygen and water. So the oxygen gas that is liberated forms bubbles, which makes the solution to rise. Now this is the first chemical reaction in this preparation. However, this reaction does not go into completion under the room temperature and pressure which it is carried out. So you still have unreacted hydrogen peroxide in the solution. Now add Add the bleach slowly to the solution and stir. Notice too that the solution begins to foam and rise slowly. This is due to the oxygen gas liberated by the reaction of the leftover hydrogen peroxide with the sodium hypochlorite in the bleach. That is, the leftover hydrogen peroxide in the first reaction now reacts with the sodium hypochlorite in the bleach to liberate oxygen. This is the second reaction in our preparation. However, just like the first reaction, this reaction does not go into completion under room temperature and pressure. So once again, you have unreacted sodium hypochlorite in the solution. Finally, add the concentrated hydrochloric acid slowly to the solution and stir. Now notice that the solution rises slowly too due to the formation of chlorine, as chlorine gas is liberated by the reaction of the concentrated hydrochloric acid with the leftover sodium hypochlorite in the second reaction. This reaction does not go into completion as well. Now at this point you can add more water to make the volume up to 1.5 liters. Our final product, which is the stain remover, now contains 3 active ingredients, which are hydrogen peroxide, sodium hypochlorite, and hydrochloric acid. This can be tested for as follows. You said never let me go. 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 Now place your stained fabric in the final product and soak it with the product for about 24 hours. Do not use your hand. You can add more water to the product if need be. That means you can add about 500 ml of water to the product if the quantity is too small for your fabric. Soak it for about 24 hours. Now after 24 hours, remove the fabric and rinse with water several times. Now wash the cloth with ordinary detergent and rinse. Alright, you can see the magic. This product is suitable only for white fabrics. Alright, have a nice day. You said never let me go.